Guys, our weekly auction update here at Public Auto Auctions. I'm Fred Britton. I'm the local auctioneer here, and I wanted to go over 3 of the cars we have. They're going to be coming up this Saturday at auction. That's going to be this Saturday at 10 a.m. If you haven't ever registered to bid, I'm going to talk a little bit about that as well. But if you have, then you'll know what to do. You just go online, you bid. You can start making your bids immediately. So we do have proxy bidding, which happens before the auction starts. And then once the vehicle goes up for auction, we'll start at that price, whatever the highest proxy bid was during the time before the auction. We'll start the car there, and then we'll finish the sale off during the auction to the highest bidder. We do have if sales as well. I want to make sure everybody understands what an if sale is here for the auction. If you've never experienced that before, that means that the reserve for the vehicle was higher than what your actual bid was, and that will be sold on an if, meaning we're going to ask the seller if they would like to sell it for that price or counter bid. So that could happen also. You may just see an if sale, and then they will just have to counter bid with you to see if they want to sell it after the auction. So let me go over these 3 cars that I have in front of me right now. These 3 cars are probably the best ones we have so far that are coming into the auction this Saturday. So what we have here is, we do have in the middle right here a Cadillac, a white Cadillac. It's a 2011 Cadillac STS. It's only got 151,000 miles on it. It does start right up. All of the vehicles you see here are going to be in this Saturday's auction. They are all starters, key starters. We're going to go ahead and show you the inside of the vehicle too and start them all up here in just a second, but I want to introduce the other cars that I have for you. I also have a 2019 Nissan Sentra. It's also got low miles at 139,197 miles on this car right here. This one will be in the auction. Now, where do these cars come from? They come from consigners, people just like you that want to sell their car, dealerships, fleets. We also get charity donations here. We also buy cars from people to put in the auction. So that's kind of where all these vehicles come from, that and many other spots. So the last car I want to highlight for you before we show you all the stuff on the inside is this 2011 Subaru Tribeca. It's only got 122,000 miles on it. And it's a very nice looking vehicle here that came through for the auction, and it will be available this Saturday. All these cars will be available this Saturday during the auction event. So let me continue by going and looking at some of the cars here with you. What we can do is we can open up this one first. This is the Nissan Sentra. As you can see, it's got low miles. It's only 139,000 miles. I'll start this one up. Starts right up. It's got cold AC blowing on me right now, if you can hear it. There we go. But low miles on this, guys. This one does run and drive. It's a Nissan Sentra, and it will be in the auction. If you've never been to one of our auctions before, I'll tell you what you need to do in order to get into the auction itself is you will need to have a driver's license and a credit card so you can register to bid. The credit card is used only for the deposit of the vehicle, and that's it. It'll be a $300 deposit per vehicle that you purchase or that you win the purchase of. So that's where that goes. You can also pay online with that credit card if you'd like, but you can also pay the remaining balance with us here live at the office when you pick up your vehicles. So now here we are at the Subaru Tribeca. This one starts right up too. Again, it's got low miles on it. It's only got 122. It's actually 121.8. We do have air conditioning as well. You can hear that blowing on in, nice and cold. This vehicle does run and drive. It does have a sunroof as well. And again, this car will be in this Saturday's auction, and it should already be on the website ready for bidding, pre-bidding before the auction begins. So you can buy as many cars as you'd like at our auction. We'd love for you to buy as many as you like, but you can also sell cars here. So a lot of these cars come from people that want to sell their vehicle to the public on consignment. So that we get these cars, again, from charity donations, from consignment vehicles, people that want to sell their car. We also get them from fleets. Also city vehicles come in sometimes. The last car I want to show you right now in Spotlight is this Cadillac. Okay, let me go ahead and start this one up as well. Gotta put my foot on the brake. There we go. She starts right up, and again, she's got 151,000 miles. This one too. Air conditioning works great in it. It's nice and cold. Runs and drives. Also has a sunroof. Interior is leather, and it's pretty nice. This one will be in Saturday's auction as well. Again, folks, what you need to do if you have never registered here before is get your driver's license and a credit card, and then you can make sure and register to bid. So, thanks again. The auction is going to be Saturday. You'll see these 3 cars and many, many others. We have about 150 cars every single weekend. Saturday's auction will begin at 10 a.m. Hope to see you guys there. Thanks for spending time with me.